Dear students, a very good morning to all of you. Hope you are enjoying your lockdown days at your homes with proper protocol. So let's have our today's offline class. This is in continuation with the previous class, that is about the birth control, methods of birth control, rather the contraceptive methods of birth control. I would like to repeat it. Contraceptive methods of birth control are broadly classified into two types, or they are divided into two types. One is spacing or temporary methods of birth control. Number second is terminal or permanent methods of birth control. We have discussed some of the methods of the first two, that is spacing or temporary methods of birth control. We have discussed in this method natural methods of birth control, barrier methods of birth control, chemical methods, IUDs or IUCDs, intrauterine devices or intrauterine contraceptive devices, oral contraceptives, and injectable contraceptives. Today we are having another method of this very method, spacing or temporary method, that is the implants. What are implants actually? How they control the birth? Implants are actually hormone containing devices implanted subdermally for providing long term contraception. Norplant is progestin only device having six small silicone capsules, each having levonorgestrel. They are inserted under the skin in a fan shaped manner inside upper arm or forearm through a small incision. Norplant remains effective for about 5 years. We are under this category Implanon. Implanon or Implanon. Implanon is a single rod-like device which is implanted through a wide bore needle, and this remains functional for about 3 years. Another method of contraception under the first category of methods, that is spacing or temporary method, that is the emergency contraception. What emergency contraception is? It is a treatment for unprotected sex, sexual assault, missed pills, and other reasons which have risk of pregnancy. Drugs used for treating emergency contraceptions are called morning after pills. 2 oral tablets to start and 2 tablets after 12 hours provide relief. Other morning after pills are Norel, Norguidone, and Ovidone. Mifepristone, an anti-progesterone pill, is a single pill treatment. IUD insertion within 72 hours of unprotected sex prevents implantation. Now we have the second method of birth control or the contraceptive control, that is the terminal or permanent methods of birth control. What are these terminal or permanent methods of birth control? These are surgical methods of family planning, and these surgical methods are called terminal or permanent methods. There is no need of replacement or augmentation, but the reversibility is poor in these surgical methods. Operative procedures which block the passage of semen in males and ova in females. So, terminal methods or surgical methods are the operative procedures which block the passage of semen in males and ova in females. These techniques are also called sterilization procedures. They are called vasectomy and tubectomy in males and females respectively. Now, what is vasectomy or vasectomy? Vas in Latin means vessel and ecto means accession. So, vasectomy is a surgical method of sterilization of males. In this method, vasa differentia are blocked by cutting and occluding them so that sperms are unable to pass down the male reproductive system. Conventional vasectomy, or it is called scalpel surgery. With the use of local anesthesia, transverse 1 centimeter incision is made through the scrotum with the help of scalpel, and each vas is exposed and cut. The two ends are separated and tied. A gap of 1 to 4 centimeter is must between the two ends, otherwise reunion of these vasa differentia may occur. Then there is non-scalpel vasectomy. In this method, instead of scalpel, dissecting forceps and ringed forceps are required. Skin is punctured and the vas is taken out. 1 to 2 centimeter of vas is removed, followed by ligation of ends. Occlusion can also be achieved by heat and clips. Vasectomy, which is done in males, is a reversible procedure as the cut ends can be joined together to allow sperm passage, but the reversibility is very much poor. Another surgical method, that is tubectomy. Tubes in Latin means pipe and ecto means accession. Tubectomy is a surgical procedure in females. In this surgical procedure, a portion of fallopian tubes is excised or ligated to block the passage of ovum. This method is performed by conventional transabdominal surgery, conventional laparotomy, and mini laparotomy. Fallopian tubes or oviducts are cut and the cut ends are tied to prevent union of these fallopian tubes. So this was about the various birth control methods or the contraceptive methods of or the methods of contraception. And with this topic comes to an end. Inshallah, we'll be having the next topic in the coming class about the medical termination of pregnancy or MTP. It will be inshallah in our next class. Thanks.